Hello children, welcome to all. This is our 12th session. In this session we are going to learn the uses of inbuilt methods of math class. This is what we are going to discuss. But when you look back, the 11th session, in 11th session we learned what is the meaning of math class and what and all the methods are there inside of math class and how to open and how to display all the inbuilt methods of math class. This is what we discussed. But in this session, we are going to discuss the uses of methods of math class in our user defined applications. Yeah, let us see the list. Yeah, you can see the list. So these and all the part of our syllabus. In that, the first one is pi. Pi is an attribute or a variable, and this variable holds the non-terminating non-recurring decimal of pi value. Pi value generally we say 3.14. That is wrong. The exact value is a 3.1415 dash 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 and so on. The huge value has been stored in pi variable. So wherever if we want to use pi, for example, area of circle, if we want to calculate, area of circle is pi r square. Pi r square. Surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere is a 4 pi r square. Volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Like this, wherever the pi comes there and all, we can type math.pi. If I type, then the exact value of pi will be substituted. For that sake we use, and sqrt is one of the method, and that method uses is to find out the square root of inputted value. The value we will input here, the value it may be non-decimal or decimal, because double can store non-decimal value as well as decimal value. If I input 36 square root is 6, so we will get output is 6.0. If I input 7 is not a perfect square, its value we will get in decimal form 2.67 something like that. That value we will get, that value is in decimal form. Due to that, its receiving variable data type is a double. Next is a sail. Sail is top. Sail meaning is a top. Top meaning is if I input 2.7 next integer. What is the next integer? Means a 3. So that sail will display the next integer. Floor. Floor is a bottom. Before means before integer it will display. For example, if I input 12.5, here 12.5. If I input 12.5, then 12.5 before integer is a 12. So that we will get 12. Floor sail is the next integer, it will display 12.5. If I input, then its the next integer is a 13, so that we will get 13 is the output. So these are the things we will discuss now. Pi, sqrt, sail and floor. Rest of the other functions we will discuss in next session. Right. Open the IDE. So IDE is a BlueJ. So in BlueJ, create a new class. New class we are creating, and new class purpose mat name I give, and open the class. Now inside of this class we are going to give class name is class name. Say the class name is mat, so that mat be given, and we are creating a static function, static space void space main function. Now inside of this we need to display pi value, so that I'm using system.out.println. This is the method we already known about. What is the purpose of system.out.println and how it is going to display the pi value. This is what we are going to see. pi must be calculated. Right. Then next we need to find out sqrt purpose. So I'm using math.sqrt. Sqrt must be in lowercase. I'm giving perfect square value, that is 36.0. 36.0 perfect square root is 6, so that we will get output here is a 6.0. Then next I'm using same system.out.println for sqrt function only. Here sqrt function, but in this I'm giving 7. This is non-perfect square, so that we will get output is some strange value we will get. Some strange value we will see. And next I'm going to use sail function, that is a math dot. Yeah, you can see before dot we missed. So math dot seal, ceil, seal function. Math.seal function we need to apply. Now inside of this I'm giving value is a 2.6. When I give 2.6, it is going to display the next integer. Ceil purpose is next integer. Next integer of 2.6 is 3. Again, I am using ceil function with a negative value. If I give negative value, for example, I am giving 12 minus 12.3. If I give like this, then minus 12.3 stands in between minus 12 and minus 13. Then which is the bigger one, minus 12 or minus 13? Minus 12. So that we will get output minus 12 in this case. Then next we are using floor function. So floor function is a math dot floor, floor function. In this case I am giving some positive value, 4.3. If I give 4.3, then floor is a before. Floor meaning is before. Before value of 4.3 is 4. So we will get output is 4. Then I'm using some negative value in the name of floor only. Math dot floor. We are using floor, but negative value we are giving minus 8.9. If I give minus 8.9, then minus 8.9, it's a before integer. Minus 8.9 stands in between minus 8 and minus 9. So minus 8 minus 9, smallest value is minus 9. So we will get output is minus 9. That's the output. And close the main function and close the class. The program typing is over. Now click on compile. Yeah, there is no syntax error. So once again you can cross check. So pi is going to display the exact pi value on the screen. SQRT method purpose is to find out the square root. So 36 square root value will be displayed on the screen. Then SQRT 7 square root is in between 6 and 7, so that the value it is standing in between 4 and 9. 4 root is 2, 9 root is 3. So it value will come in between 2 and 3. Next, ceil purpose, ceil method, it is going to display the next integer. So the meaning of ceil is a next integer. Keep it in your mind, next integer. So 2.6 next integer is 3. So that we will get output is 3. Next, ceil of minus 12.3. Remember, in on number line 12.3 is in between minus 12 and minus 13. Then which is the bigger one, minus 12 or minus 13? Minus 12. So we will get output is minus 12. Next, floor. Floor meaning is before integer. So 4.3, if we give 4.3 before integer is 4. So that we will get 4. Next, a floor of minus 8.9. Minus 8.9 is in between minus 8 and minus 9. Then the smallest of minus 8 minus 9 is minus 9. So that we will get minus 9. Then these are the things we discussed. And when we click on compile, there is no syntax error. You can see at bottom. Then close it. Right click and you will get the same output. Right click and main function you execute. You can see 3.14159 and so on. This is non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. Here only you can find out 15 digits only, because double can display up to 15 digits. 36 root is 6.0, we already know. 7 root is 2.6 and so on. It is not perfect square, so that we got like this. Then we gave 2.7 next integer, that is ceil, that is 3. Next, minus 12.7 next integer is minus 12 we got. Next is a 4 we got. 4.3 we gave before integer of floor, that is 4, and minus 8.9 we gave. 8.9 before integer is minus 9. Like this we got the output. Okay, so this is the execution criteria of 3 methods we learned. The 3 methods are SQRT, ceil and floor by pi variable. This is what we discussed, and in next session we learn the rest of other methods. You can see on the screen. The other methods are ABS. Next is max, min, POW, random. These all functions we will discuss in next session. So thank you. We'll end up the session. Thank you.